Okay, so this has a horizontal asymptote of 2, y equals 2 over 1, which is 2. Vertical asymptote x equals 5. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and y equals 1, 2. Okay, and then also have 5. Okay, and then x, an x-intercept of, right, negative 3 over 2. Oh, that's here, all the way here. Okay, and y-intercept of 3 over negative 5. That's about there, right? So the graph will look, pass through like that. Approach the asymptote. But it's a symmetrical graph. So do you see how here we have moved over 6.5 this way, minus 6.5, and you move down 2 units. So there's got to be another point, 6.5 this way, and move up 2 units. So that's going to be 11.5, and you move up 2, we're going to be at 4. By symmetry, 11.5 and 4. And also you can move this way like by 2. So we're at 7, and then you move up 6.5 from 2, so which is going to be at 8.5. So if that's 8.5, at 7, okay, but there's another point there. So you can use these 2 points to guide you to approach the asymptotes now.